Hey everyone, Adriel from ActiveDEMAND here. Today I'm going to show you how to get the ActiveDEMAND tracking script on your website using Google Tag Manager. If you're using WordPress, I recommend you use our WordPress plugin instead, as it offers a few additional features that make it easier to use. Before we get too far, let's copy the script from ActiveDEMAND. After logging in, go to the admin area, Account Settings, and copy the tracking script to Notepad or something handy. Next, let's log in to Google Tag Manager. Create a new tag, give it a descriptive name, choose the tag type, custom HTML. Next, paste in the code from ActiveDEMAND. Next, add a trigger. We recommend using the All Pages trigger for most deployments. Save the tag. One thing that's optional but recommended would be to use the preview and check that the tag fires when you go to the website. Otherwise, submit and publish with a changelog describing what you added. And that's all there is to it. Check back in ActiveDEMAND later that day or the next day to make sure that visits are being tracked in the platform. If you have any questions or comments, send us an email at support@activedemand.com. Thanks for watching.